Cooking is a passion, and nothing brings that more to life than Calphalon and the highest quality ingredients. Calphalon Signature Stainless Steel Cookware gives you the professional performance with exceptional results you desire. Made with 5 layers of metal that deliver exceptionally even heating and precise temperature control. So whether you're searing, sautéing, browning, simmering, or deglazing, enjoy perfecting your culinary techniques and unique recipes with beautifully crafted cookware that provides the performance and flexibility you need when creating delicious meals. Calphalon Signature Stainless Steel provides a stunning and durable surface that is compatible with all cooktops, including induction. At the core, 3 layers of aluminum spread heat evenly across the entire pan and quickly respond to changes in temperature levels. These aluminum layers are fused between 2 layers of stainless steel for durability and superior cooking performance. The Calphalon Signature Stainless Steel Cookware delivers great results every time, letting you create expertly cooked dishes at home that will impress any dinner party. And for simple and quick cleanup, Calphalon Signature Stainless Steel is dishwasher safe. Calphalon Signature Stainless Steel.
Hi, I'm Renee from Circulon, and this is Circulon Innovatum Stainless Steel Cookware. This cookware was constructed for convenience and comfort. Each piece is constructed with top-quality stainless steel for durability, performance, and is dishwasher safe. The pans also feature the total non-stick system with premium non-stick on unique raised circles. The circles reduce surface abrasion and increase the longevity of your non-stick. The non-stick is metal utensil safe, PFOA free, and easy to clean. The mirror polished stainless steel exteriors add a professional look to any kitchen. The impact bonded base makes this cookware heat up quickly and is suitable for all ranges, including induction. These silicone wrapped stainless steel handles were designed for comfort, and they're oven safe to 400 degrees. Topping off the collection are durable tempered glass lids that seal in heat and moisture. Plus, you can count on these circles for a lifetime of cooking with our hassle-free lifetime guarantee. With a variety of pans to choose from, Circulon Innovatum Stainless Steel is sure to enhance your cooking performance and have you making new recipes in no time.
Presenting Simply Calphalon Stainless Steel Cookware. This collection features beautiful stainless steel interiors and exteriors. And each pan has an impact-bonded aluminum base for even and uniform heating. Simply Calphalon Stainless Steel Cookware is highly versatile and is a great choice for all types of cooking, including searing and browning. And the silicone grip handles stay cool and comfortable while you're cooking. Pans can go from the stovetop to a 400-degree oven, so you can pan roast or keep food warm before serving. Cleanup is easy too. Pans can go right into the dishwasher. Simply Calphalon Stainless Steel Cookware is a great combination of durability and quality. Available in sets and open stock, in-store and online.
At the heart of the nearly century-old Bialetti brand is an unmatched passion for innovation to advance the art of cooking in kitchens all over the world. Driven by our Italian heritage comes our tri-ply cookware line from our executive collection. Our durable multi-layer construction of stainless steel exterior, aluminum core, and stainless steel interior are sandwiched together for durability and even heat distribution. The tri-ply sauté pans feature a metal utensil-safe non-stick coating for a lifetime of use. The non-stick surface is hardened by nanotechnology to improve the long-term wear and tear. Safe for use on all stovetops, including induction, you can cook and feel like an executive chef with the tri-ply cookware line. Backed with the Bialetti Lifetime Guarantee, the tri-ply cookware line is timeless in style and beauty and brings state-of-the-art innovation right to your home. Iconic, innovative, Italian, stylish, enduring.
Farberware is one of the most respected names in cookware, and no wonder, this line has been an American icon since 1947. This line combines traditional styling with today's features and benefits. The 1810 stainless steel construction has a polished finish with thicker rolled pan rims for drip-free pouring and great durability. In the base, a thick aluminum core is surrounded by stainless steel to offer rapid heating, excellent heat distribution, and easy maintenance. This line is oven safe to 350 degrees and is dishwasher safe.
Calphalon Contemporary Stainless Cookware looks stunning in the kitchen with its clean contemporary lines and beautiful stainless steel surfaces, plus the premium performance you expect from Calphalon. Pans feature a brushed stainless steel interior and exterior, plus a heavy-gauge aluminum inner core that extends across the bottom and up the sides for superior conductivity and even heating. The long ergonomic stainless steel handles are designed to dissipate heat and stay cool to the touch on the stovetop. The reflective stainless steel surface is ideal for searing and browning and helps produce fond, the brown bits of food that cling to the bottom of the pan, which is essential for flavorful pan sauces and gravies. Pans are versatile too. Calphalon Contemporary Stainless can be used on induction stovetops, and pans are safe to use in the oven and broiler. Plus, you can cook with any utensil you like, including metal, without damaging the pan's interior. Calphalon Contemporary Stainless captures the essence of modern culinary design, bringing a contemporary look to your kitchen. Calphalon makes sure that cleanup is easy. Pans can go right in the dishwasher. Calphalon Contemporary Stainless Cookware.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro 12-piece cookware set. It's a beautiful collection, basically all the things that you'll need to really get started cooking in the kitchen. I'll show you some of the pieces, and then I'll talk about some of the features and benefits. This happens to be a really nice size saute pan. You notice it has a wide helper handle on the side and a nice thin profile on the stick handle here. It's also riveted on, as you can see, here, and also on the inside of the pan here. It's really easy to lift and carry, especially with the helper handle. When you have a full load of food in there, it makes it easy to lift and move around. The other thing I'd like to mention is that the inside here, you'll notice it's nice and shiny. It's polished stainless steel. And on the outside, you have a beautiful brushed finish. And on the rim here, you can see it's got a little mirror finish on the top for accent. The other thing about this is that even though it's stainless on the outside and stainless on the inside, its core is aluminum, which is really, really good at conducting heat. So what happens is you'll have great heat distribution from all the way down the side and the complete bottom of the pan. And that way you won't get any hot spots when you're cooking. The other thing here, you'll notice there's some lids. And you get 5 lids with this set. You'll notice it has a nice high arch. That's really good when lifting it off your piece of cookware so that you keep your knuckles away from the top if it's hot. The other thing is you'll notice it has a nice ridge here, and that helps with keeping it really tight on the pan. And that's great, especially if you're doing any kind of cooking where you want to keep the liquid and the moisture and the nutrients inside. So you get 2 skillets, a saute pan, and also 2 nice saucepans. This larger one actually accommodates a steamer insert, and this is your steamer insert. This is a really great piece. You just put it right here, and then you can put the lid on like so. And what happens is you put your water or broth or whatever you're using to steam your food in the bottom, and then you put your food in here, keep the lid on, and you can steam a really nice piece of fish or Brussels sprouts or any kind of vegetable that you like. So that's really, really handy and an extra nice piece. The other thing that you can do with this steamer insert, if you like, is if you're making a small batch of pasta, you can actually use this to drain ingredients too. I like to use it for that. And then, you know, a stock pot is great to have. You can use it for lots of things such as soups, chilies. You know, I like to use it to make spaghetti sauce myself, and it's a perfect size. It's large enough where you can make some for dinner tonight and have some to save for storage or for later on in the week. The other thing that I like about this cookware is the fact that it's very, very versatile. It can go from your refrigerator right to the stove and then to the table if you like. The other thing I like about it is it goes right into the dishwasher. It can be used to top brown and broil because it's not coated inside. And there you have it, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro 12-piece cookware set.
Hi guys, Jamie Oliver here, and I'm really excited to tell you about my new stainless steel professional series set of pots and pans. They're gorgeous. Let me show you about them. So here we go, kicking off with the most beautiful, beautiful pans. Wonderful rounded sides so you can toss beautifully. Of course, it's T-fal, so we got the best non-stick coating. 4 layers of pro metal surface. And the thermospot. This is what helps you guys control your heat. No more cold pans when we get cooking. This goes dark and it tells you it's ready to sear. Yes, yes, yes. You can see these are beautiful. Little things like the handles here, lovely, riveted, but this here, this little piece of silicone makes all the difference. It just feels sturdy and solid, and it's really a premium pan. Now, as far as the pots and pans are concerned, the stainless steel looks amazing. This is one of the bigger pans. This is the Dutch oven or the stew pot, depending on where you come from. Really, really nice. It really allows you to see what's going on. And in all of these non-coated stainless steel pans, you can use any tools you like to get in there and stir up. So, I'm going to cook beautiful seared lamb lollipops with some tomato sauce, and I've got some bashed up nuts here. In with our lamb. There's no oil in this pan whatsoever, and that searing temperature has already started that fat to render out. And here's the thing, guys. You know, when you invest in the best pots and pans, okay, your cooking goes up 10% straight away. It's about being proficient. It's about the pans doing what you tell it to do. It's about not having hot and cold parts. Very importantly across the whole range, these thick bottoms are so important. If you've got a heat source, whether it's gas, induction, or an electric hob, you do get hot spots. So you need that thick bottom to spread the love, make it even, and also in here you can see there's a little measuring lines right in there that help you sort of know how much liquid you're doing if you're following a recipe. Okay, so time to plate up. I'm going to get those lovely lamb chops, dip it into that sauce, and then go into the nuts. That is going to be the most fantastic little mouthful you're ever going to have. So there you go, guys, a lovely little recipe from me to you with a little help from T-fal.
Calphalon Tri-Ply Cookware is classically designed for cooking performance. It's made from 3 layers of stainless steel and aluminum that combine to deliver even, consistent heating on all kinds of cooktops, including induction. Each pan is made with a heavy-gauge aluminum core that extends across the bottom and up the sides of the pan. This provides excellent heat conductivity and enhanced control of the cooking process. The satin-finished stainless steel interior and polished stainless steel exterior are durable, beautiful, and guaranteed to last a lifetime. Stainless steel is the perfect cooking surface for browning, searing, and sautéing foods, as well as deglazing to make pan sauces. Tri-ply cookware features long stainless steel handles, and Calphalon's unique Cool-V design keeps them comfortably cool on the stovetop. Tri-ply stainless steel is safe to use in the oven and broiler. And when you're finished cooking, Tri-ply can go into the dishwasher for faster cleanup. Calphalon Tri-ply stainless steel. 3 layers deliver even, consistent heating.
Handcrafted in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, each All-Clad collection offers an unrivaled standard of excellence. Here's how to select the best All-Clad for your cooking style. Discover the All-Clad experience with stainless, a classic and popular choice for anyone who loves to cook. This 3-ply bonded cookware features a thick aluminum core to quickly conduct heat, combined with stainless steel that helps distribute that heat evenly for better results. It's perfect for all types of cooking. With the exceptional beauty of polished steel, straight sides that are an All-Clad classic, and heat-resistant stainless handles, the stainless collection is as functional as it is attractive. D5 Stainless is for those developing their cooking skills. 5 patented alternating layers of stainless steel and aluminum allow for supremely even heating, and the exterior layer is induction optimized. This unique construction provides an ultra-forgiving cooking surface that delivers professional results and is especially excellent for browning and searing. Choose a brushed or polished exterior to complement any kitchen, featuring flared edges for drip-free pouring and enhanced handles for better control. The D5 collection sets a new standard. Copper core is the go-to if you're mastering your culinary techniques. Designed for professional use, 5-ply bonding with a copper center provides rapid heat conductivity and responsiveness, which makes it the perfect choice for precise cooking. The polished steel exterior has a copper accent for elegant beauty and features flared edges for drip-free pouring and long, heat-controlling handles. The Copper Core collection is the ultimate in design and performance. Every All-Clad collection has a starburst cooking surface for stick resistance, easy maintenance, and non-reactivity with food. Enjoy an unparalleled level of performance, guaranteed to last a lifetime.